Yeah, I'm cool.
P, if you're home, I would love to come around, but I don't have the transport. You know how the economy is. Money is hard to come by these days.
Don't worry, that shouldn't be a problem. Just send me your account number, let me credit you for transport.
Oh, okay. Hold on.
No problem.
I have just sent you my account details now.
Hold on.
Okay, baby.
Things say they wise.
Have you received the 10,000?
Yes, I have received it. Thanks.
Don't
You will see
mention.
me at your door shortly.
What's it with that?
Hello.
This is playing.
Jesus.
Pretty shock is about to go down.
Hello?
Hello, PP.
Yeah.
P, I can't come again. There's earthquake at my area. Let's meet some other time.
Wow. Okay, do you have next of kin?
Yes, okay, yes.
Male or female?
PP, why you asking?
Send her over.
I don't understand. She's in school and she's just a child.
Okay, girl, you know what?
What?
I don't want to say anything, but you know what? I will send you my AZA, my account number. Please, credit me my 10,000 naira, okay?
Is it the 10K I've used or the one you want to send again? Come on, 10K, you're asking for my next of kin. What if not 200K? You would have asked for my mom. I beg shift.
I hope you enjoy that Romy video. Please subscribe. Thank you. We love you. Bye.